Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair stainless steel face ring assembly replacement pool and spa light. This complete stainless steel face ring assembly is made for use with the IntelliBrite, Amerquartz, SAM Spectrum Amerlite lights, IntelliBrite 5G color LED lights. Measures 10.15 inch in outer diameter by 7.5 inch inner diameter. Rely on Pentair to provide high-quality replacement parts for all pool and spa equipment needs. Features: face ring assembly replacement. Fits Pentair SAM Spectrum Amerlite and Amerquartz pool and spa lights. Also fits Pentair IntelliBrite 5G white color LED pool and spa lights. Made of stainless steel. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.